But he says that because people have gone through both the passes, they were really the same. Both the roads were looking the same, but the one he has chosen is the one which has been less traveled by people. In the third paragraph, he says, and both that morning equally lay. On that morning, when he was standing there in the middle of the road and he has to decide the path, both the things were looking good and equal. In leaves, no step had trodden black. Trodden means turn. In the leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how wave leads on to wave, I doubted if I should ever come back. Now he says, the poet says in the third stanza, that on that morning when the scenario was happening, everything was looking equal. Both the roads were looking, all the possibilities were the same, and they were the leaves were looking the same. There were no steps that had turned black, and he thought he will keep the first road for the another day, but he was knowing deep within his heart that he will not come back to his distance. For example, I give you a very good example. If in 11th class you choose commerce and 12th you pass with commerce, you cannot become a science student. So there are certain choices in life which we make, which are once in a while, which will not be repeated. So here the poet is saying that, and he knows somewhere in his heart that he will not be able to come back again, but then he says that. Let's see the last paragraph what the poet says. He says, I shall be telling this with a sigh. Sigh is a deep breath. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. So he says that I shall be telling this story of mine somewhere ages and ages hence to his grandson, to his children. He will be telling this story. That two roads diverged in a wood, and he took the one that was travelled by less number of people, and that has made all the difference. Now this difference is iconic. It can be a good difference, it can be a bad difference. Now you see here I have discussed the difficult words with you. Yellow wood is a forest which has decomposing leaves. Basically the poet is talking about the autumn season when he was travelling. Undergrowth is dense growth of plants and bushes, means the forest. He was trying to capitulate how much the forest is. Trodden means walked over or turned over. Sigh means a deep breath. Now in this presentation you will find the summary is there, along with there are question answers also of the textbook, which I suppose you are supposed to write in the notes. And now I'll be discussing some figure of speeches that are being used here. Now let us see the first paragraph. Now in the first paragraph you see the second line